Managing wastewater networks has never been more complex. Blockages, pump failures, and bursts can happen anywhere, and what you can't see could be costing you millions. Without visibility across the network, teams are forced to react when it's already too late, wasting time, risking environmental damage, and inviting regulatory fines. What if you could transform wastewater networks with AI-powered insight? Introducing StormHarvester, the smart monitoring platform that turns sensor data into actionable insight. Developed with wastewater utilities and software engineering experts, it fuses real-time data from over 270,000 sensors with machine learning to give you complete visibility across your network. Proactive, accurate, and intelligent, StormHarvester helps you stay one step ahead of disruption. Blockage detection. StormHarvester analyzes different data sets to learn each site's normal behavior. When patterns deviate, the system alerts operators, who can then proactively deploy maintenance crew, so blockages are caught before they cause flooding or pollution. This leads to fewer incidents, faster response times, and lower regulatory risk. Inflow and infiltration. Using machine learning, StormHarvester compares different data sets to allow you to pinpoint where excess water is entering the network, visualize hotspots on a map, and prioritize maintenance where it matters most, helping you to reduce spill events and make smarter investment decisions whilst lowering treatment costs. Pump station alerting. StormHarvester continuously monitors pump performance and compares it to historical data. If energy use spikes or flow rates dip, it flags early signs of decline, allowing maintenance before failure. That means extended asset life, less downtime, and major energy savings. Rising main alerting. StormHarvester's unique machine learning models track the normal operation of each pump station. When an anomaly indicates a burst, the platform sends alerts, so crews can respond fast and prevent the issue before it escalates, minimizing repair costs and environmental impact. Move from reactive fixes to proactive network management. Transform your wastewater network with AI-powered insight. Book a demo of StormHarvester today.